Hey, welcome back to the Lunar Life channel for the modern wanderer and unconventional thinker. If you're new here, my name is Blake. We talk about the art of blending travel, creativity, and personal freedom. We're wandering the streets here today of Budapest. We're going to take a walk through, hopefully through the Christmas market if we can make it. It's a rainy day. It was snowing yesterday, but perfect conditions, nice 7-degree weather. Let's go take a walk. Yeah, it was snowing heavily all day yesterday. It's now the day before Christmas. Thought we might have a white Christmas, but yeah, today's rainy. All of the snow melted overnight. And I noticed that everything shuts down here. Everything. The streets are a ghost town compared to yesterday. Mostly tourists from my initial observations. Anyone who's out today. Lots of shops closed. My barber yesterday said that things are going to be closed until the 2nd of January. A lot of stores. The 24th, 25th, obviously. The 26th, 27th. Lots of things are closed. A few shops will open the 28th, 29th maybe, and then close again until the 2nd of January. So we did all of our grocery shopping yesterday, stocked up. Now just doing a few final things today. My first impression of Budapest, it's obviously a very beautiful city. All of the buildings look like this. I'm staying maybe a 15-minute walk from here, and the whole way it looks very similar with these old buildings. Plus the city is right on the Danube River, which is just a maybe 3-minute walk up that way. There's so few people out today. I'm actually curious if the Christmas market will have anyone, or if it's still running, or it's shut down as well. I'm hoping to make my way to a mall slightly further north in the city. Gonna try to get my 10,000 or ideally 15,000 steps in today. I think it's still another 30-minute walk to get there. Oh, but there's signs of life here. There's a lot more people. This is the old town, the historic center of the city. We've got the Hungarian flag. Yeah, we definitely wound up here in one of the more touristy areas of the city, but still very beautiful. That's what people were taking pictures of. Lots of cool little shops. Here I'm seeing quite a diversity, everything from food to little gift shops, souvenirs, big chains. McDonald's. My goal while I'm here is to try as much Hungarian local food as I can. So obviously goulash. Yesterday we tried, I'm gonna go blank on the name, but it was like these Hungarian style little pancakes or little fried breads with toppings on top, meat, cream cheese. They were quite good. But yeah, I'm really impressed with the Airbnb we wound up with here in this city. It's very rare that a place exceeds your expectations, and the pictures looked great, so I actually had somewhat high expectations for the place, but it was much better than I even thought. Bigger, higher ceilings. So I'm definitely happy with that. And look at this, we're arriving in the Christmas market and there does look to be lots of life.
Yes, please. Who is the next?
Those breads there, we saw them frying at the end. Those were the ones we ate yesterday. Not here, but in a restaurant. I think it was one of the more famous places for that. And I found the name. It was Langos. Langos. But yeah, interesting. Probably wouldn't go out of my way to order it again, but it was good. It was good. I prefer the hearty soups and potatoes that Hungary is famous for. Now I have to properly try it here. We did sample a few soups in Romania, but now that we're in the motherland, we have to properly indulge. And because it's winter, even better. The soups are perfect. And because there isn't anything crazy exciting going on here, it's a nice little Christmas market, but I think there is another one in the city that's bigger. I'm not sure, so don't quote me on that, but we'll have to go check that out. Being that tomorrow is Christmas, maybe on the 26th or 27th, or perhaps next weekend. Let's see, but I'm going to continue my walk north here to the mall and explore this area north of the park. We'll go wherever looks interesting. So this direction. This direction's calling my name at the moment because I see that beautiful yellow building up here. We'll go see what it is. So the name of this channel is Flaneur Life, flaneur being a French word, a concept in French culture from literary history, meaning a wanderer without a set direction, but they're wandering purposely undirected. So they actually set out to walk around a city without an aim, just to experience it, just to observe. And I think that this practice has a lot of benefits in your life. No matter where you are in the world, you don't need to be overseas in a foreign country. This is something you can practice in your own backyard, just taking a new route, just going exploring, letting your mind wander. You never know what you might stumble upon, who you might meet, what conversations you might strike up when you do this. So look what we found. Here, a little park. It's a giant Ferris wheel. I try to look at my map as I'm walking as little as possible, but when you're in a foreign country, I do need to cheat sometimes and take a look. But I'm pretty good at direction, so I have a good sense of direction when I set out. I might look at the map before I head out, and if I need to during my walk, especially if I have a set destination in mind. But if I'm just indulging in pure flânerie, undirected walking, then I will refrain from looking at the map unless I get lost and can't find my way back. I don't know if there's an attraction here or... Okay, it looks like one of those places where people put locks to symbolize their love, just like in Montmartre in Paris, the Eiffel Tower, many different places around the world actually. I've seen this in so many places. In Korea at the, what is it, Namsan Tower, they do this as well. It looks like they are actually doing Ferris wheel rides. Okay, so I think that's a good place to cut off the video. I'm going to continue my walk, head north to the mall, see if I can find a few of the items that I'm looking for here on the last day before Christmas, Christmas Eve. Hope you have a happy holiday, Merry Christmas, and thank you for walking along with me.